How to change font size on TikTok. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open TikTok on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the profile icon, then tap on the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a bit. Under Content and Display section, you will find the option for accessibility. Tap on it. Under Appearance, you will see Text Size. Tap on it. From here, you can adjust or change the font size on TikTok. If you prefer a larger font, select the dots available on the right. But if you prefer a smaller font, select the dots available on the left. I prefer a larger font, so I will select the very right dot. Once you have selected your preferred font size, tap the Adjust button. Then, a confirmation pop-up will appear, asking permission with you to relaunch TikTok with the updated settings. Tap Adjust option to confirm, and boom! You have successfully changed your font size on TikTok. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.